What a view, man. What a view. Look at that.
Most people hope for sunshine, but rain is actually the best weather here. And this rain makes the whole place come alive. With hundreds of waterfalls flowing down the cliffs. No wonder why this place is called the Eighth Wonder. Here, you can experience mountains, ocean, and waterfall all at the same time. This place leaves you completely speechless. This is Milford Sound in New Zealand.